Hello, good night, teacher. My name is Omar Sanchez. In 5 years, I see myself as professional with more experience in my career. I also see myself improving my English because it is important for my future. This year, I am going to change some habits. I am going to organize my time better and wake up earlier to be more productive. I am also going to reduce distractions when I study. To improve my life, I will start planning my daily activities. I will start leaving things for the last minutes because it affects my performance. Finally, I am going to set an academic goal. I am going to improve my English and complete my assignments on time. Thank you.